Hi there. So today, watch me. Let's audit this website. So a tech friend sent this website to me for me to do an audit, and I decided to just make this so public so everyone gets to see how a basic SEO audit, how you do SEO audit, right? So what I want to achieve is I want to do a basic SEO audit. Now, first of all, let's know that this site already is being seen on Google, right? So if you check this on Google, we should be able to see them. I've checked. If you check the search engine, you should be able to see them, right? Right. So they're already visible for their branded name, right, on Google, right? So we are seeing them already. If you see some details already, they have good numbers of followers on Instagram. They have like 3.5K followers, right? They're on Facebook, they're on Pinterest. I think their socials are very active, right? So we have some listings for them already. So this is very talking about Aska London, right? So this Google My Business. I can see Google My Business here, right? So now you may be saying, so now we are here on Google. Now we are ranking on Google, right? So why do I need to do an SEO audit for this website again? Is there need? Yes, there is need. So we are going to walk through the process, right? Now I use three Chrome extensions, right, for my SEO audits, right? Extensions, right? So first of all, I use detailed SEO, right? I use the detailed SEO. So detailed SEO is a free tool, right? All it just does is it brings out the basic on-page SEO information of the website you're trying to do an SEO audit for in general, right? So now we're just going to look at this. So this website doesn't have a meta description, which doing on-page SEO, meta description is very, very important, right? It's used to summarize a page, tells the search engine what the page is all about, and also tells the user, right, what the page is all about. So if you look here, right, if you look here, if we had a search, if you had a meta description will be here, right? But because we don't have a meta description, that's why we are seeing all these home fabrics, fabric per meter, fabric wholesale. So Google just had to bring up lots of information about this website to put here. So a new user that is searching for this gets to see what this is all about. But ideally, this is not a um this is not a meta description. So let's use the word so let me just use my favorite search term, SEO. Right. So I'll show you the meaning. I'll show you what I talk about in meta description. Right. Now let's look at Google. So I'm trying to search for the word SEO. Right. Remember in this context here, we try to search for the word Aska London. Right. So for this, I'm trying to search for the word SEO. Right. Now let's look at Google. So this is a meta description here. This is a meta description now because this states that this is trying to let me know what this particular page is talking about. Okay, let's leave Google. So it's not look as if it's Google. So automatically they should be doing what is the SEO, right? Okay, so let's look at SME Rush. Now, if you look at this, this is a blog post, right? And this is the meta description. It's trying to tell me that this is what this page is talking about. So if I click here, okay, so let me click it and see what my detailed SEO brings up. Let's know if it's the same thing, right? So if you see here, I detailed SEO, right, on my meta description here. It's telling me search SEO means search engine optimization and in the process of improving the website's search engine visibility. Right. So this is my meta description. Now let's go back to the search engine and see if it's what is reading. Can you see? So this is what it's saying as well, and that is what it's saying in my detailed SEO when I looked at meta description. So what this means is your meta description is very, very important for your SEO, right? So if you don't have a meta description, automatically a new user won't be able to get to know what your page is talking about. And now this affects your click-through rate. So if looking at this, Asker London, I don't really know what this is talking about, what this page is talking about. Right now, except I've gone through the social. So what I want to do, I'll start going through the social to see, okay, oh, is a fabric line and it's an e-commerce based in London and some other things, right? So ideally, what I would suggest is for us to get a meta description for this website, right? So it just improves your click-through rate and it gets to help a new user, right, see what happens or see what your content is all about, your website is all about. And you have to do this for each individual page. If all your pages are talking about different things, right, it means you should have different meta description, right? So if that is that, we just go into the next thing. So meta description is on the check. So we have canonical URL, duplicate URL. So this is telling Google that this is my original URL. So this is my duplicate URL. So I don't have any duplicate URL. This and this are the same thing, right? Now, next thing we want to understand is there is no keyword, there is no meta keyword for this, and it's already a big turn off. So there's no meta keyword mean there's no way Google is going to see or understand the particular keyword you want to rank for, right? So if you look at what detailed SEO is telling us here, it said meta keywords are primarily used to help tell the search engine what your page is all about, right? So ideally, since this is the home page, right, I would just advise you want to rank for your brand name. Already, you are already ranking for your brand name here already, right? You're ranking for your brand name. So I would just want you to make your brand name here a keyword, right? And some other terms you are searching for, some other keywords are automatically ranking for, right? Which of course, if you go in details, I'm going to show you some keywords you are ranking for. You are getting traffic coming in, right? But all you just need to do, because you're getting keyword traffic coming in, right, and Google doesn't know if you really want to rank for these keywords, so you're not getting the visits. I hope this is clear. I'll explain later. Now, another thing that is missing here is we don't have our H1 tag, right? Our H1 tag is not visible, so we just have lots of H2 tags and H3 tags. So I'm not sure why H2 tag is not so big. So H2 tag is supposed to be like a subheading, then it spreads across H3, H4, H5, H6, right? But it's not there, which of course is not healthy for your website. So there should be just one H1 tag and few H2 tags, and it's spread across H3 to H6, right? You want to pay more attention. So now, if you look at this, you understand the fact that your hierarchy is not really proper. So it's supposed to be H2s, then H3s, then H4s, just like that. So we have that we are having lots of H2s. And I see what is happening here. The H2s are targeting for most of the keywords. Yeah, I see that. I see that. I see that. I see that. The H2s are targeting for most of the keywords, and that is why we are. That's why we are getting lots of keywords coming in. Right. So that's done for my detailed SEO. What I'm just going to go next to, I'm going to go to my Uber Suggest extension. So I use these both extensions to do a basic site audit first before we get into details. So automatically we are having organic keyword. We have organic keyword, and these keywords now are all those H2s we're trying to pull up for. Now we have organic keyword 104, and we have monthly traffic estimated 28. Of course, very, very poor, right? And we're having some clicks coming from United Kingdom, we have United States, keyword by country, United Kingdom, United States. So now let's look at keyword by traffic, right? So because this website is based in yes, I believe London. So we're just going to go to United Kingdom. Yes, we're just going to go to United Kingdom and look at what is happening. So for the UK, so we have African fabric fashion. So these are keywords that we are trying to rank for, right? Because looking at your looking at your detailed SEO, I discovered that these are the things you are pulling up for. See wax clearance fabric sales, you see African fabric wood prints, you see Algeria, right? So it's just so clear. Now, why we are so if you look at this, we have estimated volume. So this is the volume of this keyword. So like more like a search volume, position, where you are positioned at, and estimated visits you get for this. So now, first of all, let's look at the keyword the SEO difficulty. SEO difficulty is how difficult or how easy it's going to be for you to rank. So from the scale of 1 to 100, and I can see these are all on the low side. So it's going to be very, very easy for you to rank on this, right? Now, look at African wax print fabric. We have 22 estimated volume of 22 searches per month, right? In this in United Kingdom, probably it might be high, right? And you're in position number 24, but you just have estimated visit of 2. Now, the reason is because now you are targeting these keywords, but you are not really placing this keyword on the right place that is going to attract traffic coming to you, right? So most of these keywords now are on your homepage because now I understand that this is an e-commerce website, right? And you don't want to add lots of text everywhere, right? It's just like a shopping, come and buy and go your way. But here's the catch. I can always want to, on my different pages, I can always want to spread most of these keywords around these pages. All I just need to do, I just need to create a section here with a heading with my keyword and put a small write up here, summary write up on fabrics, right? Or I can decide to start a blog or an article. I can decide to start a blog here or an article page and start writing on most of these related search term, which that may look so difficult, right? That may look was difficult for an e-commerce website. But ideally, what I would do, right? I could come here, put another section here with a small text and a C2A, a call to action, or just play around with it. What I want to achieve is I want to make sure I'm able to distribute most of these search terms, right? United States, yes, United Kingdom. I want to make sure I distribute most of these keywords around my website in general, because all these keywords are giving me good. They have good search volume, but I'm not generating any traffic from it. Right. So now let's go back to our detailed SEO and let's see. Right. So if you see no description here again for this page. Okay, so we just have one H1 tag here, which of course is cool. So let's look at how this page is performing on SEMrush. Right. So this is how I do my basic SEO audits. Right. Um, for more in depth, when I want to go in depth, I have to now start taking my time to start doing an SEO audit and a review and recommendations for each of the pages. So this is where a client. So this is after a client has reached out to me and we have signed an agreement and the payment has been made and we get into work in general. But this is just a basic SEO audit, right? So looking at the page on SEMrush, right? Let's look at this first of all. This is a free this is a free plan, so I'm not sure I might get all the statistics. So let's just see how that works first. Just pray so. Okay. So these are keywords So these are keywords you're trying to rank for. Not sure what this is. So let's see the volume. So if you see Ghana fabric here, Ghana fabric search volume is giving you, generally search volume is 206 per month, right? 206 per month. In the last month, yeah, it got 206 this thing, but it's not bringing any traffic coming in. And the SEO difficult the SEO difficulty where you're listed in number 7, and the position where you are positioned on the search console, on the search engine result page, on the number 26. And this keyword is commercial, means your users now want to know about this Ghana fabric. So let's look at what it's saying, for this is yours, right? Can you see? So this is where it's coming out for, on a cart page, a checkout cart page, right? So now that I see lots of opportunities. I see lots of opportunities. So if you look at this, the keyword difficulty is just zero. Means, can you see, very very easy. So it's very very easy for you to rank for this keyword. It's very very easy because everything here is green. It's very very easy for you to rank here. Very very easy for you to rank here, right? It's very very easy for you to rank here. So I can decide to do this for all your keywords and give you lots of opportunities for you to rank on the search engine. So we're just going to go back to let's see what we have done so far. Okay, so let's go to UK. Let's see the keywords in UK. Right. Right. So let's look at, these are all the keywords positioned in UK. So these are basically all your keywords. Right. Now let's look at this. So search volume. One thing I want you to understand, and one thing I want us to see here is, in all your keywords, in all your keywords, right? There's no traffic coming in for you. That's not really healthy. And there are lots of opportunities. Now, this is very, very easy. All you just need to do, and you see, this is on your home page. This is on your home page. This is on your home page. Right? So this is like in a checkout page. So there are lots of SEO opportunities here for me. There are lots of SEO opportunities for you to perform better on your SEO, right, for your website. So last thing we're just going to do, just going to come here and let's just look at the page speed. That's very, very important. Let's look at the page speed and we'll call it a wrap. So other things are going to be save. Let's look at the page speed, right? While that is loading, let's just look back at our SEMrush. So we have 203 backlinks. Keywords, we have 14 keywords from the UK, 4 keywords from the US, 1 keyword on others. Right, so you see organic traffic. Your organic traffic drops here. Because you had traffic coming in, let's say for the 6 months. Oh, for the 6 months, no traffic. Oh yeah. For 1 year, you had traffic coming in from here. You had some traffic coming in between February. Yes, between February. In February, you had lots of traffic coming in. I don't know whether you hired an SEO, right? But it's looking here that between February, you got lots of traffic coming in. Then between April as well, 2022, between April and May, you got lots of organic traffic coming in. Then your traffic dropped and it started picking up again around January 2023, and so far it has dropped. So I don't know. That doesn't look good at all. Doesn't look good at all. Doesn't look good at all. There are lots of backlinks. I think most of the traffic coming in are from your backlinks. So these are your index pages. These have been indexed from Google. Let's just look at the page speed, right? Then we'll call it a wrap. Okay, so seeing something that is not really here. Okay, so we have page speed for 60 on your mobile, right? 60 is on the average. Okay, so what is disturbing? Okay, think our images. Think our image here. Yeah, I think the image load time. So what this means is we need to readjust the formats of our image or reduce the size. Yes, image proper. Yes, properly sized image, right? I think our image is causing the load time. Image is taking 77 seconds already. 7 seconds of the load time, which of course is not really healthy, right? So other things are basically seeing lots of reds. So other things are basically minor. So performance, yes, right. PSP is supposed to be about 3 or 4 seconds, right? That's how PSP is supposed to be, right? So let's look for desktop. It's very, very important to optimize for mobile and desktop because we have much people using mobile for day-to-day activity. I don't know for except for e-commerce. So you see our page speed here is very, very sharp. So this is 1 second. So this is very, very sweet, right? Think our images are doing the more. Think our images. No, I think this is a background image or something, right? But this is it's taking lots of time to load from here to here, from this point to this point, taking like so we need to readjust this or reduce or optimize this very well. Optimizing means reducing the size, right? Some of our images, right? Some of our images just need to lots of the images are taking much of the time. And think so with that, that's how we so with that this is the basic SEO audit I'm going to do for my clients here. Not basically not my client, a friend's client, right? So any other thing again will be on details, right? So it's going to be on details. If I'm to adjust this, if I'm to rate this SEO, it's basically going to be on more from the content side. It's going to be from more of the content side and some technical on-page SEO or on-page SEO recommendations and more on the content side to get more traffic coming in. Because we already have detailed keywords already. So just on the content side, then we start tracking our data and results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you learned something new from our SEO audit. See you in the next video. Cheers.